Hey there, my name is Anton Krono. I am the Managing Director of Craycom, and I have been involved with eFiling and easyfile since 2002. I'm honored to be presenting webinars for the tax faculty. I'm presenting a webinar on easyfile, and in this webinar, I will be covering the basics of easyfile. For instance, installation of easyfile, easyfile functionality, easyfile do's and don'ts, and easyfile and eFiling interconnectivity. I strive to make my webinars as interactive and as fun as possible with a question and answer session after the webinar. Please note that I may not be able to resolve some of the technical questions, as in the most technical issues there is no one-size-fits-all answer. But don't fear, you will however be able to engage with me via an email after the session to be able to address your particular issue. I will try my best to show you that easyfile is easy and not the thing that goes bump in the night. So join me for the webinar for some tips, hints, and a bit of fun. Looking forward to seeing you all there.